All right, this way, this way.
In the middle of the wedding.
Get your ass out! Bro, why is it not going straight? It's going a little bit too...
Bro, you have to firm out the handle. No?
Firm out the handle.
Firm out the handle.
No, because it's got to move. It's a gyroscope.
It's a gyroscope?
Yeah. Gyroscope? Snakes aren't real.
Oh, look at it, bro.
Nice,
Which way is it tilting?
Right.
Look at it.
But it could be because of this.
It's in the back. Be that gracious creature.
Dude, I thought you were a vegetarian.
Weights, bro.
Alright, so just so you guys are informed, what we've done is we've purchased a Ford Focus off of Craigslist, I think. Where we buy the Ford Focus from, Andy?
Craigslist.
Craigslist. And what we're gonna do is spray paint it, customize it. Just have fun with it. Drift it. I don't know. Destroy it. Now you guys are informed.
I can cut it from here. Let's do it. Cut it like
Let's do it.
All right. How can I race against him when he loses pressure, back pressure?
Yep, there it is. The exhaust. Alright, guys.
Get it, get it!
Yo, that sounds fun.
Straight point.
Bro! Watch.
Go on. Stop. You idiot. You're on red.
Gold wheels, what the? We need to take this to Walmart. No, dude, give me a different color. I can put up here.
Are we done with the car?
Yeah, basically. Yeah, it's done.
Yeah, the flames are good. Go like that, but like, hold on.
I know what you mean. I'm gonna do that. Hey, let's see that.
Handbrake didn't stop, bro. I'm like,
Already crashed.
Sam, you gotta start it.
3 minutes in.
It's currently 40 degrees outside.
39.
39 degrees.
Holy shit! Oh my god!
Развитали яблони и груши, яблони, тумань над рекой, и ходила нябри Катюша на весну.